How to create a new Kahoot account. What's up everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create a new account on Kahoot. It is a Norwegian online game-based learning platform. It has learning games, also known as Kahoots, which are user-generated and multiple choice quizzes that can be accessed via web browser or the Kahoot app. So the first thing you need to do to create an account is open up your browser and search for Kahoot and head over to kahoot.com. Make sure that the first one is the official link. And once you land on the home page, you can just go ahead and click on sign up for free at the top right corner. If you already have an account, you can simply log in, but I'm just going to go ahead and click on sign up for free. So you can choose your account type. And here you can create a professional, if you're a professional, a teacher, student, or family and friends. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the teacher account, and you can describe your workplace. I'm just going to go ahead and create this for basic school. So you have multiple options to sign up with. You can either use your email, create your password, and you can also use these ones. You can use Google, Microsoft, Apple ID, you can use Clever, and many more. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my email right here. You can also just continue with Google, which is much easier. So I'm just going to choose my Google account here. Now just tap on continue. And once your registration is done, you will be just taken to another page here where you have an option to choose plans. So this is the individual plan. You can also just look around for school and team or district plan. So under individual plan, what you can do is select a basic version. It's completely free, so just scroll down. Here is a basic one for teachers, so you can just go ahead and continue for free. So once you do that, you should easily be able to log into your new account, and it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.